seen we have seen all tenses. We have discussed last time WH questions, and the material is available on the Google Classroom, and I hope that you have gone through it. Every exercise given at the end of the PDF, I expect that you people will solve all these sentences, means try to convert them from active to passive voice. And we have, along with tenses, seen the three types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. In interrogative, also, we have discussed short answer and questions and WH questions. And today we are going to discuss another category of or another type of sentence, that is imperative sentences. In the case of imperative sentences, we have many imperative types. Within imperative type, we have many subcategories of imperative type of questions, uh, sentences. In imperative, I hope that you know that sometimes people order, command, command sentences. They are also called command, order, request, suggestion, advice.
Hello.
All type of this fall under the category of imperative. One characteristic of imperative sentence is that they always begin with verb. For example, shut the window, switch on the fan, put the book on the table, come early, get up early, go for walk, go to the market, bring the vegetables. These are either in the request form or in the order form. And we will see all of them, that how they are made passive. But when you find a sentence like open the door, we have only two elements. Open is a verb and door is object. You don't see subject in the sentence. Open the door. Now let us see these different types of categories and things will become more clear. Shut the window. We have example like this. First we will understand the subcategories of imperative. Shut the window. It implies in the second sentence you can observe that the word please is put at the beginning. So something is added to the open the door. You can also add kindly. Kindly shut the window. Please shut the window. Open the door. kindly open the door or please open the door. So there is a difference between shut the window and please shut the window. I hope that you note down all this, or else the material is also with you in the Google Classroom. Then third is help the disabled. બરાબર, help the disabled. હવે જો shut the window એ instant કહેવાની વાત છે. અત્યારે જ please shut the window. Open the door, that means now at this moment. But help the disabled, that means that it is not now, it is in the form of advice that you should help the disabled people. So first two sentences in the very short term period. Shut the window means do it now. Please open the door means do it now. This is not for tomorrow. Help the disabled, time is uncertain. It means anytime you get to know, any disabled, you come in contact with any disabled person, as a human being, you must help the needy, disabled. So that is it. Advice: get up early. That is also, you are not saying, or somebody is not saying to somebody that now you get up early, but you should every day get up early. So these are the difference. People older than us give us advice. People who are of the same age, they give suggestion to each other. Advice and suggestion. So let us see now how do they differ. First sentence that you can see, it doesn't carry any please or kindly word. So you can see that the absence of please and kindly, such polite words. Therefore, it is order or command. Shut the window. Second, you can see please and or kindly. They show request. So please open the door. It becomes request. And then help the disabled. Means you should help the disabled. That is in the form of suggestion. And get up early means it is good for the health. This is advice. Okay. So in the case of active and passive, all these four types of imperative sentences have different pattern. So order, command sentences, they are changed differently. Request, it has different method or pattern. You can say the position of element. Suggestion and advice, again they have different you know technique of the formation of sentence in active or passive. But we will let us see the technique of those sentences. Let us take up, for example, request, suggestion, advice, and order. We have these four. Now, please note down. Now, you can note down what is the pattern or sequence of the elements subject, verb, object in the order, in the request, in the suggestion, and in the advice. Once you know, once you come to know that sequence, then this will be then easy, very easy to you. Okay. Now, please note down. So here in the order we have, you get any sentence, imperative sentence, order or command sentence. When you convert them into passive, the construction would be let plus subject plus be and plus v3. Let us see the example. Okay, let us first discuss this type, then we will see the examples. Now, request we have, you are requested to. A phrase જે છે એ હંમેશા આવશે રિક્વેસ્ટ બધા સેન્ટેન્સમાં. યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ, પછી V1 ના ફોર્મમાં જ આવશે. Why in V1? Because request you are to be plus ed એ આવી ગયું છે, to be plus V3 are requested to. ટુ પછી ક્રિયા પછી મૂળ રૂપમાં આવી જાય છે, પછી ઓબ્જેક્ટ. સજેશન હોય તો એવા સેન્ટેન્સમાં સબ્જેક્ટ પ્લસ શુડ. હેલ્પ ધ ડિસેબલ્ડ મીન્સ you should help the disabled. or પેસિવમાં તો શું થાય છે, disabled should be સબ્જેક્ટ, એટલે કે ત્યાં એક્ટિવનું ઓબ્જેક્ટ આવી જશે, એટલે disabled should be helped. Disabled should be helped, should be. And in advice we have, you are advised to, V1. So request and advice, they are very simple. You are requested to, base form means V1 and object. In case of advice also, you are advised to, are V3 advised to, V1. Very simple. An object. Okay. So request and advice, they are very simple. You are requested to and V1, and you are advised to, V1. They are very simple. But command and suggestion, you should pay attention. In order or command, you have let and subject. Open the window means let the window be opened. Okay. વિન્ડો છે એ ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે શેમાં, એક્ટિવમાં. પેસિવમાં શું બની જશે, સબ્જેક્ટ. સો લેટ પછી સબ્જેક્ટ એટલે ધ વિન્ડો, લેટ ધ વિન્ડો બી ઓપન, b plus v3 open. So that is also very simple. And suggestion, I give you example, help the disabled means disabled subject should be v3 helped. આટલી વસ્તુ યાદ રહી જાય means imperative sentences are very easy, because in examination you will not have in a particular category that convert these imperative sentences into passive. Now in examination you will have mixed sentences. You will have imperative, you will have WH questions, sentence from any tense. So please be careful. You have to identify the sentence first, which tense, which type, and accordingly you have to convert it. Okay, so now moving ahead, this is the passive voice pattern of these four types of imperative sentences. Now let us begin with order and command. We will have two examples and we will understand. So let plus subject plus P plus V3. This is the pattern. Very simple. બરાબર, 10 થી 15 સેન્ટેન્સીસનું તમે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરશો, then easily you will be able to remember. આ વસ્તુ છે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવાથી જ આવડશે. કોઈ પેટર્ન યાદ કરી લેવાથી, કોઈ વર્બ ફોર્મ યાદ કરી લેવાથી આ વસ્તુ યાદ નહીં રહી. બરાબર. Only way of getting command on active and passive is practice. The more you do the practice, better your understanding will be. So let us see the example of order. For example, shut the window. This is order because this does not contain any request word like please or kindly. So the pattern is let subject the window be and V3 shut. Very simple. Okay. If you have to remember only this, if you follow this, fine. So let shut the window active voice converted to passive it becomes let subject the window be V3 shut. More example, bring a glass of water. Again, this is order command. So let the glass of water be V3 bought. We have seen these three examples. Sorry, two examples. Chalo. Can we have two more examples from your side of this order and command? Let me share one more screen. Close the door. Let the door be closed. Very good, Vaibhavi. Please give me example. Approximately you are 50. Out of 50, if 30 students reply, means we will have 30 sentences of command order. Put the books. આન્સર પણ આપવાનો છે બે સેન્ટેન્સ તમારે લખવાના છે. Put the books. Yes. Pick up that paper. Yes. Let the paper be picked up. Very good. Yes. Mega. Sweta. Sweta, convert your sentence into passive. Let the books be put. Yes. First letter L always capital in the sentence. Very good example. I have got example from Sweta, from Vaibhavi, from Mega. Okay, only from two students. What are you doing, rest of the students? Give me example of any command order sentence in active voice and in passive voice. Very simple. Let plus subject plus P plus P3. Okay, put the pen down. Let the pen be put down. Very good. Crucially, attain the lecture. Attend. Attend the lecture. Yes, let the lecture be attained. Okay, no problem. Attaining goal. Attain કરવાનું શું હોય? Goal attain કરવાનું હોય. Lecture attend કરવાનું હોય. Fine, good. Okay, good. I am satisfied with these many examples. Okay, fine. Let us understand together collectively. We will have more examples. Now come to request. Please remember this order. How will you identify that the sentence is request or order or command? Because when it will be request, there will be word like kindly or please. Therefore, they are request. If you don't find any such word, then it is order. Or third category, easily you can identify something that is you are not saying somebody to do right now. Okay, get up early or help the disabled, help the needy. You are not telling somebody to do it right now. So therefore, they will be either in the suggestion form, advice form, or any other category, but not this order or command. Okay, next we have request. Very simple, you are requested to. Let us see the example. Please open the door. Please word, see the word please. Therefore, it becomes request. હવે જો પ્લીઝ આમાં તમને હું કહી દઉં સેન્ટેન્સની શરૂઆતમાં જો પ્લીઝ હોય તો સેન્ટેન્સમાં ક્યાંય પંક્ચ્યુએશન માર્ક વચ્ચે આવતું નથી. ઇટ એન્ડ્સ વિથ ફૂલ સ્ટોપ. બટ બીજી રીતે પણ આ સેન્ટેન્સને લખી શકાય, ઓપન ધ ડોર પ્લીઝ. સેન્ટેન્સના અંતમાં એન્ડમાં જો પ્લીઝ ને તમારે મૂકવું હોય તો પેલો લેટર ઓપન, ઓ કેપિટલ આવશે, ઓપન ધ ડોર, ત્યાં પછી કોમા આવશે, પ્લીઝ પછી ફૂલ સ્ટોપ આવશે. અહીંયા બે એક્ઝામ્પલ તમે જુઓ છો, એમાં બંનેમાં પ્લીઝ છે એટ ધ બિગિનિંગ છે, એટલા માટે કોઈ વચ્ચે પંક્ચ્યુએશન માર્ક નથી. બટ એ પ્લીઝ તમારે અંતમાં એટલે કે એટ ધ એન્ડ ઓફ સેન્ટેન્સ મૂકવું હોય તો પણ મૂકી શકાય. પણ ગ્રામેટિકલી તમારે શું કરવું પડશે? કોમા મૂકવો પડશે. ઇફ યુ સે ડોન્ટ ડિસ્ટર્બ મી, કોમા પ્લીઝ, full stop. Okay, just for your understanding. So we have please open the door. પ્લીઝ ન હોય, ઓપન ધ ડોર ખાલી હોય તો એ શું થઈ જાય? કમાન્ડ થઈ જાય. સો લેટ તો શું થઈ જાય? લેટ ધ ડોર બી ઓપન. પણ અહીંયા પ્લીઝ છે એટલે આપણે શું કરવું પડશે એનું પેસિવમાં? યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ ઓપન ધ ડોર. યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ, અહીંયા સુધીની ફ્રેઝ તો સેમ આવશે, ઓપન V1 ના ફોર્મમાં, ઓરિજિનલ ફોર્મમાં, અને ઓબ્જેક્ટ ધ ડોર. પ્લીઝ ડોન્ટ ડિસ્ટર્બ મી નેગેટિવ છે, બરાબર. યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ, સીધું પછી નોટ આવશે, નોટ ટુ ડિસ્ટર્બ, અને એ V1 છે ટુ સાથે આવશે, નોટ ટુ ડિસ્ટર્બ મી. પ્લીઝ ડોન્ટ ડિસ્ટર્બ મી, યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ, સીધું નોટ, ટુ ડિસ્ટર્બ મી. Give me your phone. Let your phone be given. Good, Megha and Sweta Patel. Please perform well. Okay. એનું શું થાય? You are requested to perform well. Good. Sweta Patel. Yes. Please put the pen down. Yeah. You are requested to put the pen down. Yes, Vishal. Good. Let us understand this. Collectively, we will see the example. So request. Again, I repeat. Order pattern is let subject. Let the window be shut. And in the request we have you are requested to. એડવાઇસમાં પણ આવશે you are advised to. વચ્ચેનું એક જોઈ લઈએ આપણે સજેશન, એમાં આવશે should be. help the disabled. The disabled એ સબ્જેક્ટના સ્થાને આવી જશે. should be and V3. listen to me, again a suggestion. me ઓબ્જેક્ટના સ્થાને me છે pronoun, સબ્જેક્ટના સ્થાને I બની જશે, I પછી પેટર્ન should be plus V3. listen. તો ઇમ્પરેટિવમાં કશું નવું નથી, just you have to remember the position of those elements in active voice and in the passive voice. Then the things, even if you don't understand the sentence, you have to follow just pattern. So you have to remember, I think request and advice, they are simple. You are requested to either not to or positive હોય તો not વચ્ચે નહીં આવે, otherwise it is simple base form and object. એડવાઇસના કેસમાં પણ સેમ છે, you are advised to, ઓકે, બેઝ ફોર્મ એન્ડ ઓબ્જેક્ટ. પછી પેલું જે આપણે જોયું ઓર્ડર અને કમાન્ડ, એમાં તમારે શું યાદ રાખવાનું? લેટ ધ વિન્ડો સબ્જેક્ટ બી ઓપન, V3. વેરી સિમ્પલ. હવે આ એક વસ્તુ તમારે યાદ રાખી લેવાની છે, સજેશનમાં આવશે શુડ બી. ઓકે, મૂવિંગ અહેડ. advice, you are advised to, very simple. Let us see the example. Work hard, this is advice. You are advised to work hard. બરાબર, શું આવશે? અહીંયા ઓબ્જેક્ટ ભલે નથી, વર્ક હાર્ડ એટલે કોઈકને કહેવામાં જ આવી રહ્યું છે, ઓબ્જેક્ટ હિડન છે, ઇમ્પ્લાઇડ છે. પેટર્ન શું છે? યુ આર એડવાઇઝ ટુ, V1. સો યુ આર એડવાઇઝ ટુ વર્ક V1 હાર્ડ. બરાબર, એ એડવર્બ છે. Get up early, again advice. So you are advised to get up V1 early, a adverb છે. Now let us see the, I hope that things are clear. order and all that. 3 types. Again, I tell you, just go through it for written. Okay. First time you write down and just observe difference. And then if as I said, take up any 15 to, yeah, help me. You are requested to help me. Please drink a milk. Yes, you are requested to drink milk. Yes. Please unkindly હોય એટલે request. I mean, you are requested to. બરાબર, પ્લીઝ ન હોય ને ઇન્સ્ટન્ટ કોઈ ક્રિયા કરવાનું કહેવામાં આવે છે, that is order. Give me book, give me pen, exercise daily, that is, yes, advice. Something, when you tell somebody to do something regularly for the well-being, that is advice. Yeah. Work smart. You are advised to work smart. Very good, Vishal. So now let us see some examples. At the end, we have some examples. We will discuss this example. Okay. So you can see the screen. Now be ready for the answer. Hope that all of you will reply. Switch off the light. We have few examples. Now you have to identify the category and accordingly. Yes, mega rank. Yes, let the lights be switched off. Very good. Kajal, please put let at the beginning. બરાબર, શું છે? Verb and object. This is order. So let subject the light be switch off નું V3 શું થશે? Switched off. Very good. Good example. Okay, Vishal, Mansi, Viraj. Very good. So this is the answer of the first sentence. Very good. Moving to the next. Turn him out. Okay, yes. Let he be turned out. Mega, Janvi, Sweta. Him છે અહીંયા ઓબ્જેક્ટના સ્થાને છે. સબ્જેક્ટમાં હિમનું શું થઈ જશે? હી થઈ જશે. Very good. Let he be. Yes. So answer is let plus subject plus be turn out V3 turned out. Very good. Good examples are coming from your side, Krushali, Vishal, Mansi, Kajal. Let he be turned out. Good. Okay. Inform the police. Let the police be informed. Very good. Mega, Vaibhavi, Vishal, Janvi. Good. So you can see that here, please and kindly words are not used in the sentence. Therefore, they are order, and we convert order sentences by let. The police અહીંયા object છે, અહીંયા subject બની જશે. Let the police and V3 informed. Very good. Shali, Shweta, good. Okay. Okay, three sentences. Sentence number 4. Please help that old lady. Megha, Vishal, and Vaibhavi. Good. Janvi. Good. Okay. Please is used, therefore it is request. Yes.
Hey,
You are requested to. Very good. Very simple. You are requested to. આટલું તો આવશે સેમ છે આ તો આ ફ્રેઝ તો રહેવાનું જ છે એટલું બધા સેન્ટેન્સમાં પછી V1 help object that ready full stop. ઓકે આ સેન્ટેન્સ આ રીતે પણ પૂછાઈ શકે મેં તમને અગાઉ કીધું હતું એમ હેલ્પ ધેટ ઓલ્ડ લેડી તો અહીંયા કોમા આવશે પ્લીઝ બરાબર P will be capital. Okay, this is how also it is asked. Comma is compulsory if you put it at the end. Okay, yes, it will be small. બરાબર P છે એ સ્મોલ થઈ જશે અહીંયા H કેપિટલ થઈ જશે અને અહીંયા કોમા છે મેન્ડેટરી છે જો એન્ડમાં આવતું હોય તો એટ ધ બિગિનિંગ હોય તો કોઈ વચ્ચે કોઈ પંક્ચ્યુએશન માર્ક આવતું નથી ઓકે સો યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ હેલ્પ ધેટ લેડી V1 okay good you are requested to yes Kajal Shweta okay please give me a book next very simple you are requested to the same also yes V1 book very good ઓકે પ્લીઝ છે એટલે બીજું આમાં કોઈ ફેરફાર થશે જ નહીં યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ ગીવ મી અ બુક વેરી ગુડ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ યસ જાનવી કાજલ ગુડ you are requested to give me a book because please is there therefore you are requested to then base form give v1 and rest of the things same no change બરાબર ખાલી you are requested to same શોર્ટમાં તમને કહી દઉં તો પ્લીઝની જગ્યાએ યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ મૂકી દેવાનું રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધ થિંગ્સ રિમેન સેમ નો ચેન્જ ઓનલી ચેન્જ ઇઝ પ્લીઝ રિમૂવ ધ પ્લીઝ એન્ડ એડ ધેર યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ આ ફ્રેઝ મૂકી દેવાનું રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધ થિંગ્સ રિમેન ધ સેમ ઓકે ડુ ઇટ ફોર મી yes sometime in some cases yeah it is difficult to identify that it is order or advice yeah ત્યારે તમારે શું જોવાનું સેન્ટેન્સનું સેન્સ જોવાનું કયા સેન્સમાં છે ડુ ઇટ ફોર મી ક્યારે આપણે કહીએ રિક્વેસ્ટના ફોર્મમાં યસ yeah let it be done for me good okay you are requested to do it for me બરાબર સેન્ટેન્સમાં કદાચ પ્લીઝ ભૂલાઈ ગયું છે અધરવાઇઝ ઇટ ઇઝ રિક્વેસ્ટ do it for me same જનરલી આપણે આપણા માટે કોઈને કંઈક કરવાનું કહીએ તો ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ યુ નો એડવાઇસ બરાબર અહીંયા પ્લીઝ આવી શકે અથવા તો એડ કરી દઈએ. ડુ ઇટ ફોર મી, બરાબર. હેલ્પ મી ઇન માય હોમવર્ક ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ. ઓકે, moving to the next. Always speak the truth. Vishal, you are requested to always speak the truth. Your advice. This is in the form of advice. Yes. Good examples are coming. You are requested to, sorry, advised to speak the truth. Hmm. 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 યસ, ઓલવેઝ છે તો એડવર્બ છે, ફ્લેક્સિબલ છે, બરાબર. એ સેન્ટેન્સમાં ગમે ત્યાં તમે એને ગોઠવી શકો. ઇટ ઇઝ ફાઇન. ઓકે, ઓલવેઝ. લવ યોર કન્ટ્રી. Love your country. Convert this. Yes, you are advised to love your country. Hmm. Hear him now. For examples, you are advised to okay. Here, yes, you are advised to not to smoke. It is negative, okay? Not to smoke. Okay. Verb છે to સાથે આવશે. Advice to પછી સીધું immediately not આવશે. Be careful. Yes, you are advised to be careful. Think before you speak. બરાબર. Yes, very nice. Good example are coming. Okay, same. You are advised to same sentence મૂકી દેવાનું. Think before you speak. Very simple. Rest of the remain same. This is the answer of. Okay. Can we have few examples from your side? Suggestion, help the needy. Suggestion, convert this into whatever small sema. The needy should be help. Very good. Subject plus should be and plus be 3. Okay. If you follow this, it becomes the needy. Our subject should be and V3 help. Full stop. Yes. Should be answer. Good. Okay. Tell him the truth. ચાલો એ પેટર્નમાં બનાવવું જોઈએ. Tell him the truth. Mega, very good. The truth should be told to him. Yes. Okay. બે સેન્ટેન્સ બનશે આમાં બરાબર. Look at here. Him and the truth. બે ઓબ્જેક્ટ આપેલા છે. બે સેન્ટેન્સ બનશે અહીંયા. The truth થી બનશે. The truth should be yes told to him or else second શું બનશે? He yes good Mega. He should be yes. Kajal good. Sweta yes. He should be helped. He should be told yes. Told the truth. Okay. So these two possibility because two objects are there. Yes, good. Last example. Please do it yourself. Huh? Practice. Make 20 sentences or 10 if possible. Minimum 10 sentences for each category. 10 for suggestion, 10 for request, 10 for advice, and then convert them into passive. પછી મિસેલેનિયસમાં આપણે જોઈશું વેરાયટીઝ ઓફ સેન્ટેન્સીસ. આનું આપણે બનાવશું. સમ આપણે એડ કરી દઈએ બરાબર. આ સેન્ટેન્સ છે ને, સજેશન. બનાવો જી આ સેમ સેન્ટેન્સનું પેસિવ. Yes, very good. Some sentences should be converted into, yes, it will be subject should be E3. Good. So this is how, in imperative. Hmm? Yes. So subject should be and V3. Okay, rest of the things remain the same. So we stop here. In the next class, we shall discuss some other type of sentences other than these tense and imperative. So we will have infinitive sentences, sentences with the modal auxiliaries, different sentences we will see. હા, એ બેમાં આવી શકે, કમાન્ડમાં પણ આવી શકે, અને અહીંયા મેં તમને સજેશનમાં કીધું હતું, બરાબર. It is suggestion that converts some sentences into passive. Yes. ઓર્ડરમાં કઈ ક્રિયા આવશે? ઇન્સ્ટન્ટ, જે બરાબર ઓન ધ સ્પોટ જે કંઈ કહેવામાં આવે, that is order. Bring glass of water, shut the window, switch off the fan, turn on AC. બરાબર. Give book, lend me book. Okay, so we stop here. Do exercise yourself, self practice. Now write your roll number in the chat box and you can leave the meeting.